Senator Hur.
Madam President, I'm going to vote yes for this bill, but with some slight discomfort. I'm one of the quieter senators, actually probably the quietest. I read an article today on the Pioneer Press that the quietest students are not learning, and that concerns me too. That's why I had to speak up. That perhaps we speak up, we will learn, or perhaps you be quiet, but you just learn. That's the root of my message. But my slight discomfort is based on the budget cap on this bill, the 1%. It's not enough, especially this year when we have a surplus. I represent a struggle district and all sorts of disparities, especially educational gap. And there's an American adage that squeaky wheel get grease, and I don't like to be very squeaky a lot. I don't cry a lot but because I'm a proud American. But I'm not quite proud if we have shortfall in our budget. It's hard for me to face my St. Paul school district that St. Paul may be facing a 15 million shortfall this coming year, and so that concerns me. It will have job loss, and that trickle down to the quality of education, trickle down to student learning. I'm sure it affects many of you as well. And I recognize the hard work that Senator Uyghur put into this bill. It's a good project, the good package, got all the bricks lined up in the right place. It just needs extra filling, extra mortar, so it's bigger, stronger, tied up all the bricks together, making stronger fence for our children, our future. So at the end, I will vote yes, and I hope that there will be an answer. Strong hope that there will be an answer in the conferencing committee. So, thank you for your time.
Senator Miller.